Alright, it's like 7 in the morning out here, November 1st, and I'm hearing what sounds like sounds like a jetliner, but it's just been going for hours, off in the west direction. I have no clue what the hell this sound is. I don't know if you can hear it on this video, but I hear it. I've been hearing it all night. It's coming from that direction. The sun's coming up that direction. It's coming from the west. It's actually coming up from the opposite direction of the rail line, which, you know, I don't know what the hell else it could be. But I'm listening to it, I'm hearing it, I've been hearing it. Yeah, I have no clue what it is. And by the way, if you're seeing this video, I am in Lower Kansas City, Missouri, just north of Grandview, I guess, Grandview border, and it is November 1st, 2013. It's a bit chilly out here, so if I start stuttering, that's probably why. If any of you have any clue what the hell this sound is, I mean, it just sounds so weird. Tempted to go up there and see if I can see anything. What the hell is that? We've got some kind of weird chattering sound coming out from there. I have no idea what the hell that is. I'd like to say this is just the sound of road work being done, but it's been going on all night. It's pretty weird. This isn't the first weird thing that I've seen or heard early in the morning over the last month. I actually saw a UFO a couple weeks back. There was a strange green flash that followed it. That was weird, but it's not like I haven't seen UFOs around here before. Anyways, I guess I'm going to stop the video there. If any of you have any clue what the hell that is, let me know. Thanks.